Assalamualaikum. We are students from NMJ21603 Integrated Circuit Design, and this is our mini project video, and we are from Team 05.
Hello, this is our content that we will discuss on our video, so stay tuned.
This is our team that consists of 5 members, which are first Anis Nadia binti Mat Sarip, second Nur Suraya binti Johari, third Nur Adilah Hanani binti Muhammad Kamal, fourth Nur Batrisha binti Hassan Isham, and fifth Nurul Atira binti Fazil.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Adilah Hanani binti Muhammad Kamal. My metric number is 211031396. In this mini project, we are required to design a circuit with 12 transistors to examine the inner workings of CMOS transistors. Our goal is to implement the Boolean equation Y equals to A bar times B times C bar plus D with long bar using CMOS transistor logic gates. The purpose of this work is to study the operation and performance of this CMOS transistor circuit.
Hello, my name is Nur Suraya binti Johari. My matrix number is 211031398. I will tell about design specification. For number 1, the circuit should have 4 input variables A, B, C, and D. For number 2, the circuit should implement the Boolean algebra equation. For number 3, the circuit should be designed at least of 12 transistors. For number 4, the circuit should be designed using CMOS logic gates such as AND, NOR, and inverter gates to realize the given Boolean equation. For number 5, the circuit layout should be efficient in terms of chip area utilization, minimizing the overall size requirements without compromising performance or reliability.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurul Atira binti Fazil and my metric number is 211031402. So I will discuss about design methodologies that we use in our mini project. So this is our flowchart. The first is we need to come up with Boolean equation. So this is Boolean equation that we proceed with. And next, we need to sketch the schematic CMOS like this and proceed with truth table. After that, we need to sketch the schematic on the VMware software and do check and save. If no error, we can proceed with symbol test band and do simulation for waveform. For the timing diagram waveform, we need to compare with truth table that we do before. Okay, if no error, we proceed with layout, DRC, and LVS. So let's continue with truth table. There are errors in this truth table 1. And then this is the correct version of truth table that we observe when we do the timing diagram for waveform. Let's continue with our engineering design process. So this is the first, define the problem and requirement. The objective of the mini project is to design a CMOS transistor circuit with our own Boolean equation. And the requirement is at least 12 transistors. Next is concept generation and evaluation. We have to generate multiple CMOS transistor circuit design concept based on the requirement at least 12 transistors. We have to evaluate each concept based on the SMART and SWOT analysis. Next, we select the design concept that best fulfill the specified requirement. The third one is detailed design analysis. We have to conduct transistor sizing, level design, circuit simulation to ensure the correctness, functionality, and conformance of the design. The last one is documentation and reporting. We have to include initial problem definition, design concept, detailed design, specification, and simulation result in the documentation of the entire design process.
Next, we move on to the schematic part. After we design the schematic, there are errors after we check and save. When we check the circuit again, there are errors at net B and D, which is overlapping error. Then we notice that there is no wire connection between NMOS, B and C. And next we do connection between them and do check and save again, and there are no error. Next, we can generate the symbol. Next, after we generate the symbol, we can continue with test bench. For test bench, for each input, we put different value of delay, width, and period to achieve the desired timing diagram that follow the truth table. But after we run the simulation for an Aldo, we noticed that the timing diagram did not follow the truth table. But then we try to check again we notice that there is wrong connection in schematic, and we also choose the wrong file to run the timing diagram. So what we do is we redo the schematic and we choose the right file before the run eldo, and after that we finally get the timing diagram that follow the truth table, which is the figure 2.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Anis Nadia. My metric number is 211032689. I'm going to talk about layout. Our problem, what we face did not put N well and P well like in figure 1. Second, our problem is we set a wrong lambda size. Third problem is we put a wrong contact. How we solve it by put N well and P well like figure 2. Second, we set from 0.5 lambda to 1 lambda size. Then we delete wrong contact to the real contact.
My name is Nur Batrisha binti Hassan Hisham. My metric number is 211032699. Issue in DCR. First, when we run DCR, we have 11 errors in our layout as shown in figure 1. Then, we observe that we need to change layer layout from meter 1 port to meter 1 in our layout. Next, we redo our layer coordination using meter 1. After that, we check again our layout and run the DCR. Finally, no error occurred.
Issues in LVS. In figure 1, the results shown 13 discrepancies error which are in net 6, ports 5 and instance 2. In figure 2, shown detailed instant connections. From figure 3, we can see that LVS report for our layout is incorrect.
In conclusion, the design and implementation of the CMOS transistor circuit for the given Boolean equation is shown in our slide. Unfortunately, have been unsuccessfully achieved. The circuit consists of transistors did not perform as desired CMOS transistor.
We will end our presentation with the quote said that the way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. Thank you.